Motors, 240 volt mobile charging cord, which means you could actually take it with you, put it in your trunk, and it would be able to plug into any 240 outlet. That would be like a dryer outlet,
not a regular
RV
plug
outlet. Well, I have a charge cord that will plug into a 120.
And how long does that take to charge it?
This would take about 8 hours.
8 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and how far can you go on that?
Well, you get a complete charge, 220 miles.
So there's no noise. I can actually talk to you while you're driving backing the car out. Absolutely no hybrid, no gasoline, no.
Not one.
Not one drop.
Nary a drop.
Nary a drop, huh? Okay. First of all, how much did it cost?
Well, it's a high-powered sports car.
Yeah.
So you know, it's high-end. It's going to be expensive.
Yeah.
But I like to compare it to a Ferrari that costs 2 to 3 times as much.
Uh-huh.
And this beats a Ferrari. I've proven that myself. It beats a Ferrari off the line very easily.
Yeah. You've raced the Ferrari?
Yes. You do not have to get the RPMs up. It's just instant off the line, 100% torque from the dead stop.
I see.
The line is absolutely beautiful. It's very aerodynamic. And this material isn't what you might think. This is carbon fiber. The whole body is carbon fiber, other than the chassis, which is an aluminum carbon fiber blend.
Okay. Let's see what your trunk space is here.
Well, I can get 4 or 5 grocery bags.
Okay.
About the size. The irony is, talking about golf carts, it's exactly the size for a golf cart bag.
Oh, okay. Excellent. There you go. So.
But
and can we look under the hood before we?
well, this is the
is this the hood?
significant thing.
Is this the hood, or is this?
Yes, this is the
what's
guts of what makes the car go.
Okay.
This is called the PEM, Power Electronics Module. This
Okay.
controls the current. It's being liquid cooled. It's a water glycol mixture, and it's circulating all the time to protect the batteries, because heat is the enemy of batteries. So the car's out here in the sun.
Okay.
So it's circulating, making sure they stay cool. Here are 6,831 lithium-ion batteries.
6,000, over 6,000 lithium batteries.
831. Yes.
Why not just one big battery?
Well, these are commodity batteries, and they are what were available to Tesla, and they work fine. They work great.
Yeah.
And you'll soon experience that too.
Okay. All right.
Very high-end commodity battery. Here's my mobile charging cord. This is a 120 charging cord.
Okay.
Now, granted, if you charge with this, it's going to take a long time because not a lot of power is going through this skinny cord. But the beauty of it is I can plug into any outlet.
Okay.
So
that's the
really
adapter
good.
And basically any
Well, this goes into the wall.
Any wall.
And let me show you how to do this. It's a whole process.
So you just at a if there's a plug outside a restaurant, which I don't know if there is, but you could plug it in there, or maybe a gas station there would be.
It's very important to get infrastructure, and that's what my organization, Plug in America, is working on.
Mm-hmm.
You know, electricity is omnipresent. We've had that for way over a century. Yeah. It shouldn't be any problem.
Yeah.
To be able to get outlets so these cars can charge.
Yeah.
It's on street lamps. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
So that should not be. That is not an insurmountable problem. Yeah. So let me plug in.
Sure. So fill her up. Okay.
Now you notice how clean this is.
So what are we looking at here?
The combustion engine would be pretty dirty.
Oh, this is the engine. Okay.
There is no engine. Repeat after me.
Okay. There is no engine.
Yes, there is no engine. So we have to change the whole language. There's a motor, and I showed you where that is located back.
Okay, the motor's in the back.
The power electric, underneath the power electric.
Okay.
I'm sorry, the power electronic module.
Okay, so what is all this here?
So what we have is part of the cooling system and also the air conditioner.
Okay, we're getting into the Tesla, right?
Right.
And it's a little
The
bit
Tesla
compact,
Roadster.
but whoa, it's like, yeah, it's pretty good. It's like any sports car in that regard.
And this is a
Wow.
comical statue of Nikola Tesla.
Whoops, that was too big. I
Yeah,
shouldn't
you
have
gotta
done
be
that,
careful
huh?
with that carbon fiber.
Okay, I'm just
Anyway,
going to put
this
this here
is
for a second.
Nikola Tesla, who invented AC electricity, and Tesla Motors named the car after him.
Oh, okay. Now, let's see, there's a safety belt.
Right there.
Okay, I feel like I'm getting into a rocket ship here.
Well, it gives new meaning to the term just dropping in.
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
All right, now I'm going to
Now,
roar this car to life.
okay.
It's on.
It's on now?
Yes.
Okay, there's no room.
Driving in this UV, does it look like a pig? There, I said it. Driving in this UV,
I hope we don't disturb the neighbors here.
where you look
You notice
There's a slight noise.
that is it.
What is that
the,
noise?
I think those are the hydraulics. The
Hydraulics.
But you won't hear that when you go. They're just kind of almost like a jet-like whine.
you look like a pig. I said driving in
It's got regenerative braking, so I really don't have to use the brakes very much. I just take my foot off the accelerator, and immediately it starts to slow down, and that kinetic energy goes back into the motor.
That recharges. It's kind of recharging. We're awful low to the ground on this.
Yeah,
That's a sports car. Yeah. See, I've always slummed it with the higher elevated car. So how fast can this go?
The top end is 125 miles an hour.
Have
I
you
need to do it, but they tell me the high end is 125.
125?
What I'm more thrilled with is the instant torque off the line. That's what's thrilling me.
Oh yeah! Wow, that's like a whoa. Well, that was pretty awesome. I don't think I've ever been that fast in a car in my life.
That hot car,
Yeah.
there's
That
no
was terrible.
disguise that you're driving an SUV.
Yeah, that felt like a Disneyland
What
ride.
you
Yeah, it's an easy car.
when you're
Yeah. Wow.
driving in your SUV. Okay, it's all I see. Where you think it's okay to trail right behind me. You're just a big fat tailgating bullet driving an SUV. You ain't nothing but a pig to me. Yeah. Driving an SUV. You're just a gas guzzling, warmonger.